Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time I'm coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. Press the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, in today's video, I want to prepare local African food. As you can see here, we have just palm oil and yam. So it's long I've not eaten this food, so I thought of it for last week. I said this week I'm going to make this food because I just want to eat this local food, this local African dish. I'm going to roast this yam you are seeing here, and I'm going to enjoy it with my palm oil here. So let's get into it, guys. I'm going to be roasting this yam in the gas, in the oven. So the oven is already on. I on it already. I just want the oven so that it will be very hot before I will put the yam inside. And I miss this food, I miss it so much. It has been a while that I'm not eating this food, so I decided to make this local African dish today. I hope you guys will enjoy it with me. If you want to know how I make this delicious roasted yam, guys, continue watching. Don't miss anything from this channel, guys. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you for always passing by. So now, guys, I want to put this yam into the oven now. This is the yam. I'm going to roast it. Everything I have to put the yam. Oh my God, I can't wait to even eat this yam, I can't wait because it is really, really long I'm not eating it. I can't wait to eat it, guys. Let me put it in the oven now. Let's go, guys. Yeah, I put it already. Let me just put it in a way that the yam will be very, we have to give at least like 1 hour or 40 minutes, less than, for the yam to be ready. Okay, guys, stay tuned and continue watching. See you guys later. Okay, guys, as you can see, I decided to add all pepper and small blended crayfish on it. Okay, so that it will blend together. So I'm going to slice these onions you are seeing here now. I'm going to slice. I had just 1.5 bone onions. So I'm going to slice these onions and I will add it into this pot. I will go ahead and hide it into this pot here because we have crayfish and blended pepper. Then later I will go ahead and put the palm oil. Okay, the yam is still in the oven. See you guys later. Okay, guys, as you can see, I will go ahead. The pot is already in the gas already. I will go ahead and put palm oil. So I will add much I want. Okay. Then I will add a little bit salt to it, just a little bit of salt. Okay. So I will on the gas now. Allow it. No maggi. We don't need maggi and this. Or this recipe, this amazing recipe. I really miss this amazing recipe. I remember those days when we are in Nigeria. Oh my God. When we go to farm, we are going to roast yam. We eat we enjoy it before we go back home. You know, when we got home, we'll do the same thing, guys. I really enjoy it. I miss back days. I miss it so that this is why I decided to make this video. You know, I really miss it, and I really wanted to. For since last week, I've been telling myself I want to do this thing. I want to do this. I keep postponing. I said today, no more postponing. Beautiful Shine, you have to go ahead and make this food for your channel today, so that the people that have been missing this food, then will see it in your channel. They will remember those days, you know, back days, guys. Oh my God, how time flies, you know, how time flies. I'm happy today to bless God for all He has done. So now I will on the gas. Okay guys, our roasted yam is ready. Let's open to see. You know it's gas. I have to wait a little bit and bring it out. I will show you guys later, okay? Okay guys, as you can see, my yam is ready. You see, I have already done. I just need to peel it now. Oh my God, let me show you guys how it looks like. Oh my God, this yam is very hot, guys. It's very hot. I have to wait a little bit for the yam to cool before I peel it. As I'm touching it, it's burning my hand. It's really hot. Okay guys, I'm done with my roasted yam. As you can see, let me show you this. See what I bring come out from it. Oh my God, you see my roasted yam. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat this food, you know. I can't wait to eat this, my roasted yam. It has been long, it has been a while. Wow. Let me show you the as well. I showed you before that I'm going to be using it with onions. There is onions inside everything. There is pepper. I had a little bit of crayfish on it, but there is no maggi. Just oil and onions, pepper, and little bit of crayfish. That is what I'm using to eat this my local dishes, guys. Can you see that, guys? It's just bringing smoke. Let me cut it. Let me show you guys how it looks like. Oh my God. You see it? Can you see? Can you see it? It's very hot. It's very hot. Can you see that? Wow. This is really nice. This local food that I missed for so many years, you know. You are going to enjoy this. Enjoy it with me, guys. Don't miss it, okay? Make sure you watch this video to the end and enjoy it with me, guys. Okay? Wow, my food is ready, guys. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join this family. Thank you, my returning subscriber. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate you guys. You guys are wonderful. You are lovely. One love keep us together. Thank you guys. See you for my next video.